Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great Thursday. We have been stuck in a persistent and pesky weather pattern, and what we're talking about, and you probably heard about it the last several days, is a cutoff upper level low. So what exactly does that mean? I wanted to provide this webcast extra. Also give you a little bit more details with the forecast over the weekend. Lots of outdoor activities and events taking place, so here is your forecast in this webcast extra as well. Now on the satellite and radar this Thursday afternoon, we have a lot more shower and even isolated thunderstorm activity compared to what we saw the last couple of days, and that's because of that low pressure system kind of slamming on the brakes down to our south. Now the showers are moving in a unique direction. Definitely not what we're used to. Normally the showers move from southwest to northeast in this area, but that's definitely not the case today and over the last couple of days because of a low pressure system down to our south. So our motion has been from the east towards the west, and eventually that will continue to remain throughout the weekend, and on Saturday we've got better rain chances ahead. So what happened? Well, we had this low pressure system that dove into the southwest last week, southwest United States. It slowly moved eastward, and on this Thursday that low is currently positioned to the southeast of northwest Arkansas. But what is going to happen over time is this low is actually going to back up. I'll talk about that a little bit later. But in the northern hemisphere, low pressure spins in a counterclockwise direction. So with the spin of the low and being northwest of the low, that's why those showers are moving from east-northeast to west-southwest. Now, actually what's taking place currently on this Thursday afternoon is the showers are moving more from east to west, which indicates that that low is starting to retrograde or back up, and this is expected to happen over the next couple of days. So our rain chances remain on Friday. Then on Saturday that low is actually going to back up almost due south of Fayetteville as well as Fort Smith. So if you see all the rain that's off to our east right now, we're going to be located in the heavier rain amounts, especially when you're east of the low. So that's taking place. And as we'll show you on the water vapor, you can really see this spin well. Look at that low pressure system. And over the last couple of images, this cutoff low, and when we're talking about it, meaning cutoff, is the jet stream is way up to the north, and the jet stream is what usually steers these weather systems and moves them along. But this would be like basically throwing a rubber ducky in the middle of a tub with no air currents and no water currents, so the ducky is just going to sit there. You're literally going to have the toy in the middle of your pool, such as a beach ball, and it's not going to move anywhere because there's no current. Well, eventually what happens is all this weather energy that's off to our west, by the end of the weekend, will take this low pressure system, start to shear it apart, weaken it, and eventually push it off to the east. But when we say cut off low, we mean that it is cut off from the jet stream, so there are literally no steering currents. Now, the future track's showing this very well. Watch this spin. So, first of all, Thursday evening, Gully Park, there could be a few showers lingering, and it is looking like the showers will dissipate once again with the loss of daytime heating. That happens about 8, 9, 10 o'clock. Some patchy fog possible in the morning. Cloud cover around Friday, 7 o'clock in the morning, and then notice a lack of shower activity, but that daytime heating kicks in. The low is actually retrograding, as you can see. Low pressure system located now almost due south, southeast of Fayetteville. And as we tick away the time here on the future track, there's the swirl and the spin, more showers. Florida-Georgia line coming with a big concert at Arvis Ballpark. You got the monster trucks tomorrow night. I'm excited to take my son to that. There will be some showers around, possibly a thunderstorm. The good news is, as the evening wears on, as the sun goes down, those showers will dissipate. Pig Trail Mud Run on Saturday. I'm also participating in that. You might be for the Springdale Rotary Club. It takes place in Springdale and close to Elm Springs. Not a whole lot of shower activity in the morning, but you'll notice during the afternoon a lot of widespread rain. Why is the rain heavier on our Saturday? It's because of the low being a little bit farther to our south. Saturday evening, rain showers dissipate once again, and that low starts to get sheared apart, so the rain chances are not as great on Sunday because that low pressure system finally spins out. Literally, if you're stirring chocolate milk and eventually stop stirring, the spin will stop. And that's what's going to happen with that low pressure system as the spin finally stops and gets shoved off to the east. So the moral of the story is Cutoff, upper level low, continues, actually retrogrades over the next couple of days. So the rain chances improve on Friday during the early afternoon to mid-evening. And then as we move into Saturday, we've got the best rain chances for the week. That happens on Saturday afternoon into the evening once again. So Arvis Ballpark, there's baseball games, there's lots of stuff going on this weekend. Expect pop-up and scattered widely spread showers on Saturday during the afternoon into the early evening. Rain chances dwindle, temperatures warm up. Then we get a totally different weather pattern with southwest westerly flow aloft, no more cutoff upper low, and that could equal some severe weather by the end of next week, and that of course is Wakarusa, and there could be some storms that affect that area